the places I remember all my life. Oh, some have changed, some forever now are better. Some have gone, and some remain. All these stones have never been forgotten. With lovers and friends who will recall. You know I can think and stuff in my life. I love them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know how to stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more. In my life, I love you more.